Migori.
Kama chelo manen jalar kom matenda piny Kenya yiero mokalo Reuben Kigame ojiwo jo Kenya mondo mi onyuak lwedo e chenro mar pidho yien kaka yore solwasi kod alwora e pacho ka. Kigame ma oloso Nairobi kano yuore chenro mar pidho yien kanyakla kod jokanyo mag riwruok makedo ne ji manigi ng'ol mar neno okone en ting' mar jo Kenya kaja Kenya komondo miyo kony chope kare dwaro mar neno ni piny Kenya omedo kwan yien ma ok tin ne bilion 15 ma yande sirikal olando. Negi pidho yiende ma kwan gi ok tin ne 1,000 e chenro no.
Agenda 4 of the Sustainable Development Goals say leave no one behind, and what we've done here today is a demonstration that persons with disabilities can plant trees, from kids to every one of us. The Blind Go Green is only but the beginning of this initiative.
We are very, very excited to see the inclusive part of climate change intervention being started right here at the Kenya Society for the Blind. We want to thank the government for insisting that planting trees becomes a priority, and for that we actually congratulate His Excellency President William Ruto. And we want to say this, that as persons living with disability, we are part and parcel of building Kenya. Tunajenga Kenya pamoja. Na this is only the beginning. We're going to go around the country. We'll start next in Uasin Gishu. We'll go to Vihiga, where I come from, and we'll go to Marakwet. We will go to different parts of this country to ensure that our country is green.
So for each one of us, if we follow to say if you have a quarter of an acre, then you should have 8 trees, 1/8 of an acre, 8 trees, a quarter, 16, just like that. Then even within the concrete, as we plan our houses, we must leave room for planting trees in our compounds.